Welcome to our channel. Signing up for Cash App allows you to send money, receive payments, and even invest directly from your mobile device. Here's how to create your account. Step 1. Download the Cash App from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android smartphones. Install the app on your device and open it to begin. Step 2. When you first open Cash App, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your phone number or email address when prompted. Step 3. Cash App will send a verification code to your phone or email. Check your messages or inbox, then enter the code in the app to verify your contact information. Step 4. Enter your legal first and last name as it appears on your government ID. Cash App uses this information for account verification and compliance. Step 5. Create your unique dollar cash tag, which serves as your Cash App username. This tag allows others to send you money easily by searching for your dollar cash tag. Step 6. Add your debit card information to link your bank account. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and ZIP code associated with the card. Step 7. Verify your identity by providing your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is required for full account features and higher transaction limits. Step 8. Set up your Cash App PIN or enable biometric security like Touch ID or Face ID for secure access to your account. Once complete, you can start sending and receiving money immediately through Cash App. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.